Blogginers. Today we're going to unbox and demo KiwiCo Tinker Crate. KiwiCo offers fun projects for kids of all ages. You can shop single crates or a gift subscription. There are even holiday projects. KiwiCo has new yummy crate designed for science and cooking. Back to our Tinker Crate. Today we're going to make a hydraulic claw. It is for ages 9 and up. We learn about hydraulic robots. First, they show you the blueprint on the hydraulic claw. So I think that's the size of it. And on the back, they tell you how to build the hydraulic system. So it's divided into two parts. So first, build the hydraulic assembly, and then construct the hydraulic claw. The Tinker zine just tells you information how the hydraulic system got created. And also they tell you some bonus stuff that you can make, like the hydraulic elevator. Here's the hydraulic system things. Some pins, Ziplocs, more hydraulic pipe, wooden drum thingies, and these look like metal. And that's it. From our home, we need a glass of water and scissors. Now we're gonna set up, and next time you see us, we're gonna do part A. And we're back. Now we're gonna do part A out of two parts. There's part A and part B. So part A, step 1. This one's called the Buga hydraulic assembly. Step 1, put a brand through the center of the long fastener piece. Stick a sticky foam piece on either side. If you haven't seen our other KiwiCo crates, we've done a ton of Eureka's and one other Tinker, and if you want to see those, you can click up here. Step 4, put a brand through the hole in the shorter fastener piece. Stick 2 foam pieces together, then stick them next to the brand. This is the water part, which is the funnest. Put it in the water, there we go. So with the water part, and then with to fill it. Accidentally got water outside, but it's fine. The string is filled with water, as you can see here. So as you can see, now that we have both attached, when this one goes down, that one goes up and fills up with water. But if this one goes down, this one goes up and fills that one with water. Part B, construct a hydraulic claw. So in part A, we did this, where if you push down, one goes up, one goes down. Use 2 brands to attach this brand and this one. Let's do this. We're all back, I think. Okay, we're back on this. That was pretty easy to assemble, except all those different mishaps like the water shooting out. So we finished making the claw. If you push, it'll open. If you pull, it'll close. I am gonna do the build more stage later, off camera maybe. Overall, I highly recommend KiwiCo Tinker Crate. This is a great gift to give to friends that like STEM projects. And also, if this looks fun to you, you can purchase this at the link in the description. Bye!